hot. Boom. These are the conditions it's in. Because I want to see what it looks like when it comes in. That was me. Take it off.
No, man.
Take it off. This is what I wish I would have done with the ice camper. Oh, that's big.
Wow.
So just the first look. These compartments. You got the little rain plug. It's not really safe, but we'll see. A lot of space. Got the wheels. Got the AC/DC adapters. Nice. A lot of space. Arm. So if we wanted to measure, and be precise, from here, just about 14 inches and depth of 14 and a half, 14 and a quarter. I'm gonna do this one. This one is 14 exactly. And then from here to there, 6 and a half. And then from here, obviously 14 inches. Okay. So we got the two wheels. We got a 9x32. This is without looking at the manual too. You got 3 washers. So the correct way for this to go is obviously big side in. All right, so with this portable fridge comes a free app. It's called My Refrigerator. You could either download it for free on the App Store, or probably, I'm sure they have them for the Android store as well. With this particular app, you're able to navigate from different volt settings, from low, medium, and high, which each of those settings you're able to draw out either high, max high voltage ratings or low voltage settings. Yeah, with that being said, I'm just messing around with the app here and playing around with it. You could play with the temperatures. You could go eco mode to save power if you're on the road and it's plugged into your vehicle. And yeah, I definitely recommend this fridge. I've had it already for about a year and a half, and so far it's been good. So thanks for watching.